Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about the climate change. In the air, there is a climate system. It works in this way. The air receives energy from the sun and from the Earth's interior. But when the climate systems get off to the outer space, part of this warmth of this energy that the Earth doesn't need. But when the atmosphere trap part of this warmth, it causes the increase of the temperature here in the Earth. The gases that trap this warmth are called greenhouse gases. Water, vapor, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, and methane. There are examples of these greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide has increased it in the atmosphere since the Industrial Revolution. The nitrous oxide is created by the use of the fertilizants, and the methane is a more active particle than carbon dioxide. For me, there are another causes. The deforestation cause this climate change because the trees use CO2 in the process of the photosynthesis. It means that CO2 is transformed to oxygen. Also, the ocean used CO2, but when the ocean gets to the limit, it causes the CO2 causes the acidification of the water, and the acidification causes the death or the diseases of the marine fauna and flora. There are another consequence. I would like to show you another consequence. The intergovernmental panel of the climate change have talked about in the next century that the temperature will raise between 2.5 to 10 grades Fahrenheit. Also, the IPCC says that a rise in the temperature between 1.5 to 2 grades Celsius increase in the temperature cause the risk of the majority of the wildlife between 20 to 30%. Also, the climate change will increase the temperature here in the Earth. This occasion, there are another causes, another consequences like the shrinking ice sheet from the poles, and the melt of this water cause the submerge of the islands, and the aggressivity of the natural phenomena increase. The statistic in the United States has showed that in the last years, the the natural phenomena, in this case, the hurricanes, inundations, rainfalls, have increased. The ice in the northern hemisphere will decrease, and we have the obligation to be adapted in this phenomenon. How we can mitigate this problem? We can use efficiently the energy. We can work in our habits, like we can use the transport public, we can use the bicycle, in order to avoid the emission of CO2. Also, we can make adaptations for this problem. We can work in new structures that can support these aggressive phenomena, natural phenomena. Also, we can participate in simulations for these events, for these aggressive events from the natural. It is all for me. Thank you for listening.